In this video, we're going to be looking at how to apply spaces before and after text, as well as how to apply indents. So basically what applying spacing before and after is the space between each sentence. So if I want to select that paragraph and I want to apply some spacing or some line spacing, what I do is I go to my home tab, and then under the paragraph section there's this option over here. See, that is line and paragraph spacing. I click on that, and then I can select the line spacing that I wish to make use of. Alright, if I want to add spacing before or after a paragraph, I can click on that, or if I want, I can go to this paragraph setting block here. Then I can change the spacing before and after, as well as the line spacing. So that is basically what it's all about. It's just changing the spacing between the lines. Now, I spoke about indentation, how to add indents. So what an indent is, it's basically moving your paragraphs over to a side. So one of the ways to do it is to make use of your tab key on your keyboard, or we can make use of our indent button, so decrease indent or increase indent. Another way to do it is under the more paragraph option, we can change our indentation, and we can change it according to centimeters over here. So that is how you deal with spacing before and after in a line, as well as indentation.